Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing another subscription box. This is from Roccabox. Finally, it's here. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. Yes, today we're unboxing my Roccabox. Finally, it's here. Box with this one with my cohorted one. I think I will upload the cohorted first and then this one. So if you want to see my cohorted one, I will pop on the top here or in the description box below. So if you're new to Roccabox, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.95, and inside usually there are 5 beauty products from skincare to makeup. And yes, let's open it. I saw a few spoiler of the Roccabox because I did my lineup products of this subscription box. So if you wanna see that one too, I will pop on the top here or in this description box below. And for if you wanna subscribe to the subscription box, all the link, all the info will be in the description box below. So inside we have taking you on a journey of beauty discovery, and then we have a leaflet as always, and it says Roccabox Galentine's. Hey Roccababes, February is known as the month of love, and I for one plan to spend quality time on dates with my #1 this month, from the comfort of our living room, of course, when it's come to date nights or days. I always indulge in a little extra pampering, and I have a very specific pre-date beauty agenda. I want touch me skin softening products, I want smell me sensual scent, and I want look at me future enhancing makeup. So that's exactly what we've given you in this month Roccabox. Let's not forget that video can also be a totally partner free zone spent with your favorite girly gang too, even if it's over Zoom these days, which is why we've called this box Galentine's. It's a homage to our favorite gal pals, the ones that have stuck by us through every tear, tantrum, and trauma. So ladies, whoever you're loving this February and whoever you're spending your time with, get stuck into your Roccabox, and you can do it knowing you feel, look, and smell bloody gorgeous. Love, Tia. So here we go. And then we have loads of shredded paper, and let's start. So the first one here, and this is from Project Clip. So here we go. It says plump and color warning, this product will tingle. I love product that will tingle. Here we go. So it has 2 ml, and I think this is a full size. I have in the shade Bear. Here we go. So this is the inside packaging, and I have really a brownish. It doesn't smell, no, it smells like sweet, but let's try it on. Oh, it's like matte lip balm, I could say like that, but it's very beautiful shade. Definitely I will use it. Beautiful shade. And this one, lovelies, as I said, it's a full size, and it's retail for £14. So you will receive in either shade Bear, which is I have Dare, Play, or Strip. So yes, and then the next one we have here, and I think this is just a deluxe sample size or travel size. This is from Crabtree and Evelyn, and this is the Evelyn Rose Soft Touch Face Foam. This one has only 15 ml. I hope you can see it, lovelies. And it says this gel to foam cleanser is a petal soft, super hydrating, gentle yet effective, and has a scrumptious, delicate scent. It will leave your skin seriously soft to touch and smelling edible. Cue it being the perfect product for a pre-date cleanse. So let's open it. Oh, it has the seal, which is a thumbs up. I really like receiving products with the sealed on. so I know didn't open. And then the next one we have is this from Super Duper Shea Body Butter for very dry skin. I really enjoy using Super Duper. I really enjoy receiving them too, because they smell nice, they hydrate, they moisturize throughout the day. So I really enjoy receiving them. This is just a travel size too. Yes, this is travel size. It has 50 ml, and inside, yeah. Oh yeah, it smells like shea butter, smells like that, like a nuts. And then the next one we have, and this is from Farin Amber Floral Oud Perfume Oil. I think this is a full size. Yes, it says chic packaging comes together with natural plant-based essential oils in this clutch bag essential. The handy oil roll-on delivers a rich, earthy, and seriously sexy aroma. Think woody cedar, decadent vanilla, and hints of floral jasmine via nourishing plant oils. Don't live for your date without it. And smell it. Smells nice. It smells like gummy. Am I me? Like a bubble gum. It smells like that. I don't know if I smell like that, but yeah, definitely I will use this one because it doesn't have that strong smell, like very irritating smell. It's subtle, kind of subtle sweet smell. So definitely I will use this one. And then we have this from Nip and Fab. No needle fix eye mask. I'm really excited for this one. When I saw the lineup, it's the first product that I really wanted to try, and this is the product, as you can see, and this is a full size definitely. And this one, it says a great day prep product. This eye mask is rich in hyaluronic acid, which hydrate plumps up and iron out wrinkles around your eye contour. Meanwhile, its unique hydrogel texture, they puff, cool, and relax you. Perfect for settling predate nerves. Look at this as a temporary needle-free fix for fineness and puffiness. So yes. And then the last product, and this is only a 3-in-1. And this is a big product, quite heavy. And this is from Fentiman's Light Rose Lemonade. So here we go. Size. And this is a sparkling one, so lovely. It's not really foamy. I don't like sparkling drink. And here it's a sparkling botanical light drink made with pure rose extract, contain added sugar and sweetener. So I will give this one to my husband because I don't usually drink this kind of drink. I usually drink water, tea, juice, coffee, I think, and sometimes cola, but rarely. So yes, this one here. So that's all, lovelies, for this month. And I didn't say the price, but let's do a recap and I will tell you the price. So this little treat is cost £1, and it has 250 ml. And perfume oil, it's 18 pounds. This tiny 10 ml, it's 18 pounds. Wow. And then the mask, the eye sheet mask, is 6 pounds. And the shea butter, which is a 50 ml travel size, it costs £3.99. And then we have the Crabtree and Evelyn one, which is a travel size, 15 ml. It costs £4. And the Project Lip full size, it's 14 pounds. So that's all, lovelies. Overall, I really enjoyed this month. It's not their best box, but definitely I will use every single product. And I know, lovelies, I read in online that some of you wasn't happy about this lipstick because it's tingling too much. Let me try it because I didn't put any lipstick on today. That's weird. Let me try it on. I will use the camera, sorry, lovelies. But yeah, it does tingling a bit, but it doesn't really bother me, the tingling. I really enjoy using tingly product like lip gloss one, because you know, when you feel like minty on your lips, I really love it, the feeling. So yes, yeah, it does tingling a bit, but not too much, to be honest. And the shade, it's really gorgeous. It's like, I feel now lovelies. The shade is really nice. It's like my lips, perfect for everyday. Yes, lovelies. I feel now the tingling sensation, and it's quite strong tingling. So you need to be careful not to put much. Yeah, it's like a needle. Oh my goodness, it's tingling a lot. Very tingling one. Just to add on, lovelies, I need a wipes, because this product, it hurts. It really does hurt. Literally, it really hurts. It's like burning. I need to take it on my hands. When I swatch it, it didn't feel anything, but once you're on lip, when you apply it on your lips, the first time you applied it, it's alright, but after a few minutes, it feels too much, lovelies. It feels like there's a needle poking on your lips, and it burns too much. I really like, as I said, I love the feeling of tingling on my lips, like the Soap and Glory one. I use it a lot, but this one, it's too much. It's not a tingling sensation, it's different. It's burning sensation. I'm so sorry, but yeah, this is not a, I will not use it anymore, and it still hurt. This is a thumb down for me. I'm so sorry, it hurts my lips now. That's all, lovelies. What do you think of this box? Let me know in the comment below. I need to take off this one, it's tingling too much. But yeah, and overall, as I said, I will use every single product here. And that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also, lovelies, don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.